Great! Make a video on the evolution of hand protection standards. Sounds simple, but how do I explain something I barely understand myself? Gloves, standards, evolution. Where do I even start?
Okay, why are you staring at your screen like it's an exam paper?
Because I forgot to study this chapter.
Okay, seriously, what's the problem?
I have been asked to make a video on glove standards in India.
That's easy.
Easy for you, maybe. All I know, gloves protects hand,
Let's start.
and standards exist,
Excellent.
and that's where my knowledge ends.
Alright, let's make a video for you together.
Please, I and my deadline would really appreciate that.
Tell me something. If I give you two gloves which look exactly the same, will you be able to tell me which one protects better?
No chance.
Correct. So, years ago, glove standards were mostly what gloves were made of.
Like cotton, leather, stitching, and construction.
Right. Back in 1973, India introduced IS 6994 Part 1 through BIS, which is Bureau of Indian Standards.
So it checked the glove specifications,
Correct.
but not necessarily how well it performed.
Bingo. Then industry started changing, machines became faster, tools became sharper, and work became more demanding.
Which means risk became bigger.
Exactly. Now imagine buying a raincoat only because it looks waterproof.
I would rather know if it was actually tested in the rain.
That's exactly what industry started asking about gloves.
Don't tell me people were basically guessing before.
Sometimes people were trusting more in the materials rather than the actual performance.
So what happened next?
In 1994, Europe introduced EN 388 and everything changed.
How?
Instead of asking what this glove is made of, it asked what this glove can actually protect against.
That's a much smarter question.
Today, gloves undergo rigorous testing for mechanical performance like abrasion, cut, tear, puncture resistance. They are also tested to ensure protection against environmental hazards like cold weather conditions, heat, welding, electrical risks, and other workplace conditions.
So protection became measurable.
Exactly, no more assumptions, only performance.
But industries kept evolving, right?
Right again. EN 388 was gradually updated in 2003 and it was further updated in 2016 and then in 2018. TDM cut testing was added and the gloves were given A to F cut ratings.
So worker could understand the protection level more clearly.
Yes, that's the whole idea.
What about India?
India recognized the need for modern protection standards too. In 2021, India introduced IS 699 Part 6, which was equivalent to EN 388 in 2016.
Which followed performance-based approach?
Exactly.
So today we don't choose gloves only on based how they look or how much they cost or what material they are made of.
Right. We choose them based on the hazards that workers face during the work environment.
That's a huge shift.
From specifications to performance backed by third-party standard testing.
So what really EHS managers should focus on today?
3 questions. Is the certified glove third-party standard tested? What protection level has it achieved and for which environmental conditions? And is it actually suitable for the hazard?
Sounds obvious when you see it.
Yet, these questions make the difference between protection and injury.
True. Workers deserve gloves that are tested.
And not only that, but also appropriate for the risks that they face. Perfect. Now your video is ready.
And now I know how hand protection standards evolved.
From IS 6994 in 1973
To IS 6994 Part 6 in 2021. From materials.
to performance
From assumptions.
to tested protection.
And if you followed our conversation,
You probably know it too.
know the hazard.
Know the standards.
And of course,
Protect with proof.